Hello everyone, welcome back to the series French for Beginners. Today is lesson 11, Days of the Week in French. Let's get started. Let's start off with learning the weekdays in French. Monday is lundi, lundi. Tuesday is mardi, mardi. Wednesday is mercredi, mercredi. Thursday is jeudi, jeudi. Friday is vendredi, vendredi. Saturday is samedi, samedi. Sunday is dimanche, dimanche. One thing we need to be cautious about is that we don't capitalize the weekdays in French. For example, lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche. None of them is capitalized. This is the point that we need to cautious about. Let's continue learning yesterday, today, and tomorrow. Today is aujourd'hui, aujourd'hui. Yesterday is hier, hier. Tomorrow is demain, demain. Now let's learn about asking for the date of the week. What days is it? On est quel jour? And another way is quel jour sommes-nous? Today is Monday. Aujourd'hui, on est lundi. Or, aujourd'hui, nous sommes lundi. That's all for this lesson. Thank you for watching.